Why you? What the fuck you got this? What you say fuck me for?
What you say fuck me for?
VP, get a uniform.
Huh?
Where's your uniform?
Yo, where's I went to Congress, right? For our shirt, Congress didn't give me my shirt, so I'm not following the Congress rules. You know what I mean?
It's not bad. I hope it's not.
You know what I mean? I'm here to make a change, but the change I'm trying
It's like this one's tight, this one's loose.
It's first of all, that one's shorter than that one.
Thank you, MLK.
I gotta fight for it, you know what I mean? But yeah, this is
Tired of these niggas having a dream, bro.
Just him.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
Cause this one I started with, and then I did this one. I tried doing that.
He tried. They weren't even really scissors.
Some tiny shit. He didn't want to do it. He said he was going to do it.
This is my teacher, Mike.
Yo, bro. I can't.
I'm gonna start class.
Niggas are idiots, bro. Alright. Hey, I won't be here.
No, you will. You know, so you're my accomplice. I'm sick.
That's his name, Teacher Mike. That's Teacher Mike. Teacher Mike 2.0.
I have to.
Give him a chair.
Mark.
I'll swap with you. How about that? I'll swap with you.
No.
For my y'all can't take the hour ultimatums. Y'all got time to do it.
Yeah. Do them 4 modules.
You gotta go to sleep.
I do it at home. I can do it at work, but I choose not to. So.
Huh? Why you on my dick? Damn!
Guard is damn near caught up.
No! Like 4?
Why was I gonna get you? You see why, bro? You see why I can't be on that nigga, bro?
I finished it. That's the point. Bro, this shit is boring. Wait, what? I got one. Oh, that's yours? Hey!
Break.
W! Give it back.
So we're on the street as we got the customer car. So we're gonna kind of put things in reverse. Because usually Teacher Mike spends a lot of time teaching about service before we look at a customer car. But we're gonna look at a customer car, alright? Chris, what's your customer car? So who's the customer car today? Chris, alright? And we're gonna have another customer
Kai, bro,
car.
I don't want you nowhere near my mother's car, bro. And that's a dead ass thing.
It behaves a little bit differently, the performance is different, things like this, okay? So we have to take those things into account. So unfortunately, we can't really skip past that part because even though that worked in the wintertime, it's not working now, okay? Because now our systemic environmental operating conditions have changed, okay? So the same thing on the high side. Now where's the high side supposed to wind up? What I'd like for you to understand, something about 150, let's say to 225. Okay? 150 to 225 PSI. Your range might be a little bit different on the sheet, but every system is an individual, folks. They're all gonna have, even one car off the line after another is gonna behave just a little bit different. Okay? But every system is an individual. Okay? So that's it. Okay, I want you to check for compressor operation. I want you to check the pressures. This is going to happen when we go to Christian. and I want you to check one last thing. Are we okay on just normal operating pressures? So we haven't got to abnormal pressures yet. We're going to do that Monday. I'm going to teach you what problems create what kind of pressure conditions, and that's the only thing that's going to tell you what's going on. Is the pressures in the system a lot of times. That's it. Okay? Is this okay?
Like I said, everybody's testing their AC, so we're in the parking lot testing. What the fuck? Ah, hell nah. Ah, hell nah. Ah, hell nah.
Wait, what? Magnum on the floor, nigga. That's not me. You see, it's not on my road.
Hey, man, say, man.
I don't even use Magnum. My pipes over here. I got a copy. Just check if the AC is on. Don't turn it on. Just check if it's on.
Yeah.
It melts to the left,
Say,
right?
say a message to your mom, because she's going to see this.
Mother, they ain't let me bring it in, so I'm just doing it out here.
It's on, but it's low.
They gonna make sure we get a break.
Huh? It's on, but it's
Yeah,
low.
what he said.
It's on low.
It's on low eye.
Where the fuck is the belt?
The belt? What belt?
The serpentine.
It's probably on this side.
That's beautifully cold.
And I'm
by
weak.
the way.
You said I know my goal. That's kind of crazy.
So high, low.
That's kind of crazy.
And then this is going
It's
to.
funny.
Obviously, this is going to the.
Some people never let them wear wings. John, he was born in the 1990s. He was known as the taller child until
Some girls.
My cousin John, he was known as the tallest one until I showed up and I surpassed him before I was even 17. And then I just kept getting taller and taller. You know what he said? He said, bro, it's because of your neck. That's why you're taller than me. So he's got this long ass neck. Like, I'm still so taller than you, boy.
I'll give it. Yo, wait. Close the door. What the fuck is this? Open that door and teach going up.
Nah, I'm def saving these videos of myself. So when I have the final product.
You trying to see my profile?
But yeah.